चार दोस्त थे, दादर स्टेशन पे खड़े थे। 12 बजे की ट्रेन थी, ये 11 बजे ही आ गए और आने के बाद बातों में इतने मशगूल हो गए कि ट्रेन के बारे में भूल गए। फिर 11:15 हो गए, 11:30 हो गए, 11:45 हो गए और जैसे ही 12 बजे तो उन्हें ना एक ट्रेन का सायरन सुनाई दिया। और ये सायरन जो था वो ट्रेन आने का नहीं था, ट्रेन जाने का था। तो चारों दोस्त दौड़ने लगे। पहला दोस्त जैसे जैसे ट्रेन में चढ़ गया, दूसरा गिरते गिरते चढ़ गया, तीसरा मरते मरते चढ़ गया और जब तक चौथा दोस्त ट्रेन में चढ़े तब तक ट्रेन प्लेटफॉर्म से निकल चुकी थी। अब ये बेचारा सर पकड़ के बैठा था और उतने समय में वहां पे कूली आया। कूली ने कहा, क्या साहब, 1 घंटे पहले आप आए और ट्रेन नहीं पकड़ सकते? लोग 15 मिनट पहले आते और ट्रेन पकड़ लेते और आपको ज्यादा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। आधे घंटे के बाद दूसरी ट्रेन है, पकड़ लीजिए, ये आपके दोस्त आपको मिल जाएंगे। ये सुनने के बाद वो जो चौथा दोस्त था वो फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गया। उसने कहा, भाई साहब, आप मुझे जो बता रहे हो ना वो सब मुझे पता है। आधे घंटे के बाद दूसरी ट्रेन है, अगले स्टेशन तक ये मुझे मिलेंगे, ये मुझे सब पता है। लेकिन वो 3 गधे जो ट्रेन में चढ़े ना वो मुझे छोड़ने आए थे। Friends, many a times in life, we keep moving, we keep going ahead, and suddenly, when we reach to one of the stations, हमें लगता है कि we have boarded a wrong train. Maybe this is not the station where I wanted to reach. Maybe this is regarding to my health. Maybe this is regarding to my relationship, or maybe this is regarding to my personal excellence. I always felt that I am at the wrong place. My name is Ketan Gawad. I'm very fortunate. I'm doing a lot of trainings for government agencies. You can see all the logos, where I've done this for police, for revenue departments, for prisons. There are a lot of places I've done training. To be very precise, I have done training for 43 government departments span India. And you know what is my biggest realization? They don't have KRAs. Or I can say they don't have very clear KRAs. Now, what is KRA? All my corporate friends? Wonderful, it is key result area. In Shuddh Hindi, it is called as क्यों रखे आपको. Okay. In the beginning of the year, you will get some parameters for your performance, and based on that, at the end of the year, you will be evaluated. Okay. Generally, there are 5 parameters. First one is G1 M1. G1 M1 means ready for promotion. यहाँ किसने रखा भाई, promote करो immediately. G2 M2 means good for the current position, doing exceptionally well. Let him try for next 6 months. इसके बाद promotion देंगे. What is G3 M3? Good for the current position. 1 साल काम करने दो, फिर सोचते आगे क्या करना है. G4 M4 borderline. 6 महीना देखते हैं, सुधर गया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो टाटा बाय बाय. Okay, and then finally G5 M5. भाई अभी तक किसने रखा, इमीडिएटली निकालो, कल से नहीं दिखना चाहिए. Okay, see now these KRAs are developed for an overall growth or an all-round growth of a person. Okay, that is what is expected. Generally, it ensures a very smooth transaction from your current position to a next position. क्योंकि KRA में 60% parameters will ensure that you perform your current job well, and 40% will ensure that you are getting ready for your next position. Okay, I say that when you have right KRAs, you are supposed to grow like this. But we don't have right KRAs, you grow like this. This is what happens, okay? And after working with 43 government departments, I have realized something very interesting. When you don't have KRAs, this is what has happened. I'll give you a very interesting thing. I'm sure you don't know this. 1984 तक मुंबई पुलिस का सारा जो काम था वो अंग्रेजी में चलता था, क्योंकि हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने से उसे फॉलो कर रहे थे. और ये पूरा जो लिखा पढ़ी का काम था वो तब के फर्स्ट फेल, सेकंड फेल, थर्ड फेल कांस्टेबल करते थे, जो सारा काम अंग्रेजी में मैनेज करते थे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बिफोर 1984. लेट्स मूव नाउ. व्हेन दे पिक अप द फोन, नमस्कार, जय महाराष्ट्र सर, गुड मॉर्निंग. All our PSIs and APIs who are recruited now, they have a minimum qualification of graduation, post graduation, engineers, and some of them are even doctors. Okay, पर 1984 तक जब आपसे इंग्लिश मांगा जाता था तो इवन द फर्स्ट फेल सेकंड फेल भी आपको इंग्लिश में चीजें देता था, और आज की कंडीशन ऐसी है कि गलती से भी अगर इनको किसी पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर के सामने कोर्ट में खड़ा कर दिया जाए और एक आध सवाल इंग्लिश में पूछा जाए तो हालत खराब हो जाती है. द पॉइंट विच आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इट, पीपल ओनली वर्क ऑन द थिंग्स विच आर एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ देम. आपसे जो मांगा जाएगा उसी तरह का स्क्वायर वाटरमेलन आप बना के दे दो. Okay? My other great realization is people really don't work on their behavioral skills. Now, what are behavioral skills? Yes? Okay, I'll give you. Okay, leadership, communication, negotiation, delegation, interpersonal skill, planning skill, decision making skill. Then we say, team building skill. These are the few skills जिसके ऊपर अगर आपको ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट करना है तो आपको काम करने की जरूरत है. बट इफ योर जॉब इज नॉट डिमांडिंग इट, पीपल आर नॉट वर्किंग ऑन टू इट. ओके, पीपल डोंट वर्क ऑन टू बिहेवियरल स्किल्स. सो नाउ द पॉइंट इज, व्हेन यू डोंट हैव ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल केआरए, अगर आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आपके लिए केआरए नहीं बना रही है तो आप क्या करोगे? And that's what, from 2012 I have started teaching them, if you don't have a right KRA, develop a universal KRA. What is universal KRA? Okay, there's a wonderful saying by Brian Tracy which says that there is never enough time to do everything, but there is always enough time to do the most important thing, provided you know what is the most important thing. So my question to all of you, do you know what is the most important thing? And for that, there's a wonderful concept called as 5 things. This is from a book called as The Success Strategies for Crazy Busy People by Dr. Edward Hallowell. And doctor says that the first thing you have to decide is 5 things in a day, 5 things in a week, 5 things in a month, 5 things in a year, and 5 things in life. If you are able to identify these 25 things and start focusing on that, your life will change. So I'll give you a few 5 things, which I generally discuss with them. Gratitude. We give them this stone and ask them, every day when you get up, just hold this stone in your hand and be grateful for whatever you have in your life. Unfortunately, people are not very grateful these days. Okay. Second, we create their vision book and we ask them to start focusing and energizing your future, because that is where your positivity lies. We ask them to focus on physical and mental exercises, doing exercise and reading good books, listening to audiobooks, watching TED videos, which will give them a lot of positivity. Meditation. Okay. Swami Vivekananda says that when you pray, you talk to God. Doctor has very well explained right now. When you pray, you talk to God, but when you meditate, you listen to Him. Okay, and every day for at least 15 minutes, you have to start listening to yourself. Break that chain of unwanted thoughts. And last thing is self-introspection. Socrates has said, an unexamined life is not worth living. At the end of the day, if you are not checking what is going right, what is going wrong, then you will go into a wrong direction. So that's the first thing which we ask them to identify. Second is 5 things in a week. Can we do some things which are not possible every day, but at least once a week? I'll give you some examples. Quality family time, 3 to 4 hours every week. Team meetings in the beginning of the week. What is going right? What is going wrong? Where do you need our help? What is the plan for next week? Very simple thing, but very, very powerful. And then enjoying your hobbies. Okay. I have seen transformation in government officers, after they start pursuing their old hobbies, which they forgot, when they come to this. Then there's something called as 5 things in a month, which is not possible every day, every week, but you can definitely do it once a month. Maybe you require 1 full day for that. Then 5 things in a year, which is not possible every day, every week, every month, but definitely you can do it at least once a year. What is that? What can you do at least once a year? Okay, that is compulsory. Okay, you can go for Vipassana or some meditational retreat, go for your family trips. Have something for learnings, any of these skills for 7-8 days, and it will start transforming your life. Okay, and the final thing is 5 things in life. मरने से पहले कम से कम एक बार, नहीं तो वापस आना पड़ेगा. Okay, और मरते वक्त ना यहीं पे जान अटकती है, पहली चीजें याद नहीं रहते. This is very, very powerful. So the point is, when you are able to identify these 25 things and start energizing them or focusing them, miracles start happening with you. It's a wonderful saying which says, wherever your focus goes, energy flows and result shows. I'll repeat it. Wherever your focus goes, energy flows and result shows. Suddenly we have seen, these officers outperforming, leading a quality life, suddenly, having a sense of fulfillment, and the entire environment changing just because they have started focusing on their universal KRAs. So my question to all of you, do you have these 25 things identified for yourself? If not, do it today and start outperforming. without the KRA. Thank you so much.